We want to show you today our new product. This is a prototype of our new product. This is a cable. Here we have a Type-C input and DC jack output with a power delivery technology inside. You can easily use it for effects pedals, for all Roland lines of groove boxes, and the special option for this cable is a negative or a reverse polarity. You can see this is a plus outside, so you can easily power a pedals like that. And now I want to show you how it works. So here we have just a simple power bank with a power delivery technology inside. I take a cable, connect here, then put it here. It's 9 volts, negative polarity here, and it works. This cable is just a prototype, so we will have a better one in a production. So you can subscribe, you can text to us if you want to make a pre-order, or you have some advices to us, we can check it too. So see you later. Thank you.